Hey guys, did you put on a little bit of extra meat on your belly during the pandemic? If yes, I'm gonna tell you the best, and by best I mean one of the most efficient fat burning exercises. So let's get right into it. Quarantine has disrupted the routines for the most of us, but the aspect that has been most affected is our physical activity. Limited physical activity can cause this. This. In my opinion, the most efficient fat burning exercise is skipping. Yes, good old jumping rope. All you need is a pair of shoes and a skipping rope. No need to do those complex exercises you saw on the internet or buy expensive equipment. Guys, skipping is so easy. Literally anyone can do it, and you can do it anywhere. Okay, not anywhere, I mean most of the places. Skipping burns over 1,000 calories per hour. This is more than most of the cardiovascular exercises, and it literally trains your whole body. In the lower body, it trains your quadriceps, your glutes, and your hamstrings. Your shoulders, your biceps, your triceps, and your forearms together work to rotate the rope. And your abdominal muscles are gonna feel the burn when you're skipping rope. If you're new to skipping, let me give you a little tutorial. If you've never touched a rope before, start hopping like that without a rope first. Your jump shouldn't be more than an inch off the ground. Keep your feet close together when jumping. Do you see how my toes are pointed down slightly on every jump? Make sure there is always a slight bend in your knees. This will ensure the stresses from jumping are nicely dissipated throughout your body. Do not pull your feet back or tuck your knees in. Keep your head up, your chest up, and your shoulders pulled back. Do you see how my wrists are rotating the rope and my elbows and my shoulders are stuck in place? You can add a lot of variations to speed and intensity. Let me show you a little high intensity workout. If you're a beginner, start off with 20 seconds of regular jumps followed by 10 seconds of high knee jumps. You can do this 6 times for a total of 3 minutes and take a minute break. Repeat this 3 times. As you get better at it, reduce the amount of low intensity work and double the high intensity work. So this is it, guys. Remember to stretch properly before you start. Do it for 12 minutes every day for 14 days and you'll definitely see some result. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Until next time guys, stay healthy.